Hi everybody, it is dusk here in our little paradise of a valley. I wanted to take a moment to go over the Rhino USA tie down kit. Um, I've had a chance to use it quite a bit now. I use tie down straps and ratchet straps multiple times a day and wanted something a little nicer than the typical ones I was using, or something kind of medium range. I got down here, these are the real thick ones you see on like kind of heavier duty trucks and everything. I use a lot of those, but sometimes those are just overkill, and I needed something kind of that was not that heavy, but way heavier duty than your typical chintzy ones at the big box stores and your Tractor Supplies. So got this. Came in a set of four. Also came with four of these soft shackles. Um, Camera's positioned on the bed or the flat bed of my pickup right now. Um, this will go around the rub rail, and I can throw the ratchet or the hook through there to get a better point or a grab point. Comes with a nice bag, keep everything organized. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about them. Used a set of these straps yesterday to strap down a diesel engine block, and took it over a pretty windy mountain pass for about an hour to get it delivered, and everything held great. Yeah, no downside to them. Make sure you pick the right length. This is I want to say these are maybe 10-foot lengths, and these work really good for running across the flatbed of my truck for strapping down flat materials or anything, or in the instance of that truck and diesel engine I delivered yesterday, running from the frame down to the rub rails and the pockets on the trailer. So can't say enough good things about them. Check them out. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you purchase them.